Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. These are the new and latest case from Supcase. I believe they sent me a Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra dummy phone. By the way, you could purchase this from amazon.com/Supcase or just by search Note 20 case by Supcase on Amazon. Also, I'll be including a link that's going to show you in the description so you guys could check them out. The Unicorn Beetle Pro, winner of the CNET annual drop test with the highest total fee. The UB Pro is a full body case with a built-in screen protector, port plug to keep out dust, dirt, and moisture, and free belt clip holster included, all for only $20. The other one is the Unicorn Beetle EXO, another slim clear case except with an exoskeleton frame to enhance the grip on the surface where most slim case might slide, making it a super grippy clear case. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys what it look like. So this one must be the dummy phone. Wow, look at that. So this one's the Note 20. Yeah, you can tell by the camera lens or the camera setup. This is Note 20 Ultra, my phone. And also this one is the Supcase Note 20 Ultra UB Pro. It's all black. I've been using it, it's pretty nice. So let's go ahead and check out this. These two are the Note 20. Oh, it says Plus. That means Ultra. It's EXO blue, EXO red. And all of them come with the instruction on how to put on the case. And then thanks for your support. Wow, pretty nice. So on the side, it looks more like a carbon fiber design on the side. Also on the bottom. And on this side again. Got the Supcase bending right here. And then a protective power button and polymer rocker. And on the top as well. Yeah, you gotta be sure the silicone case is not grabbing the top of the frame, because that's how it's secured. Oh, what the? So, is this the Ultra one, or what is this one? So this one is the Note 20 Ultra. So the dummy phone, the camera setup doesn't make it look like it's Ultra. That's weird. Probably because it's a dummy phone. So yeah, make sure you squeeze it in so the silicone could grab it on the top of the frame. And then there you go. Let's go check out this one. So this one's like a baby blue on the top of the frame. And then it's like a turquoise. So you gotta pry this out while you're pressing downward, okay? I was just gonna grab on it. Okay. Oh, this one, the stylus, you cannot remove on the dummy phone, so. And there you go. So this one is a little wobble because of this camera bump. It is raised up to give you more protection. You want to remove the one without the button side first. So this one's the Note 20 Plus, which is supposed to be Ultra UB Pro. And this is made in China. Going to open this up. Wow. So here's a QR code. Show you guys on how to install it. So here's a nice belt clip holster. And you got the Supcase branding right here. This is a pretty heavy duty holster, and which will allow you to rotate 360 degrees all around. So you gotta push this out in order to remove the case. Designed by Brillotech Inc. for Note 20 Plus, made in China. So there's like a cloth protective right here. And this is like a military green color. And right here, give it a little accent of carbon fiber look. And here's a rubber flat right here to protect from moisture or dirt, lint, or sand to get into your charging port. And this one's a drop protection, military standard drop test. Good thing about this one has a bifold kickstand. Go and test this out real quick. Yeah, so make sure you pry this out. They're easy to remove. Press down on both sides. All right, and then that's it. So with the holster, you could clip it on this side if you have a left-handed or right-handed. Then you can rotate your phone around either way. All right. And in case you need to clip this on somewhere and then watch the video at the same time, you could do it rotating around. Okay, be sure to push in so you can grab on it so your phone won't fall off. And then you can watch video YouTube video or whatever. Let's go and then move on to this one. This one is the violet. So it's exactly the same case. Got the Supcase again. It's a nice heavy duty clip. Got the same flap. Let's go and then move on to the next one. This one's the ruby red. Oh, Rudy. Yeah, it's a pretty nice case. Yeah, you're gonna spend like more than $1,000 for the phone. You want to get full protection in case you dropped it. I know accidents always happen, and if you dropped it, you break the glass or anything like that, it's gonna cost you more money to fix and repair. So might as well get the full body protection, so you don't need to worry about dropping, crack your bag or the front. The front, you got this upper lip and then a bottom lip, also on the corner. In case you drop the phone face down, those top and bottom lip will protect your phone from hitting your screen. Unless you have a sharp scissor or corner of the rock or whatever is going to hit it, then that would be a different story, okay? So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description, so you guys can check out all these nice cases for around $20. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.